Join me as I dive into the world of superfruit to discover the secret to financial freedom. I'm taking on the challenge of turning these fruits into cash. Achieving financial freedom is a dream for many of us. It's about living life on our own terms, without the stress of debt or the anxiety of an uncertain financial future. One key to unlocking this freedom could lie in something as simple as superfruits. These nutrient-dense foods not only supercharge our health, but might also hold the secret to making smarter financial decisions. We've all been there, struggling to make ends meet, drowning in debt, or worrying about how to save for the future. For some, it's the credit card debt that seems impossible to pay off. For others, it's the lack of savings that keeps them up at night. Many of us work hard, but our paychecks seem to disappear as soon as they hit our bank accounts. The stress and anxiety can be overwhelming. The truth is, financial struggles are a part of life for many people. But what if I told you that there's a way to tackle these problems from a different angle? What if the key to financial freedom wasn't just about cutting expenses or finding a side hustle, but about making better choices that benefit both our health and our wallets? Let's talk about some superfruits that have been making waves in the health and wellness community. Take the Noni fruit from Tahiti, for example. This little-known fruit is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and even support heart health. But beyond its impressive health benefits, investing in superfruits like Noni could be a smart financial move. Imagine investing in a business that not only provides a healthy return, but also improves people's lives. Superfruits like acai berries, goji berries, and mangosteen are not only delicious and nutritious, but also in high demand. By supporting sustainable farming practices and investing in companies that prioritize health and wellness, we can make informed financial decisions that benefit both our bank accounts and our bodies. The connection between health and wealth is more than just a cliche. When we prioritize our health, we're more productive, have fewer sick days, and even make better financial decisions. By investing in superfruits and the industries that support them, we're not just buying a product. We're investing in a lifestyle that values well-being and financial stability. So, what's the secret to financial freedom with superfruits? It's not just about the fruits themselves, but about the mindset shift they can inspire. By prioritizing our health and making informed financial decisions, we can break free from the cycle of debt and anxiety. Incorporating superfruits into our lives can have a profound impact on both our health and financial stability. By making smarter choices about what we eat and invest in, we can take control of our financial futures and live life on our own terms. If you're as excited about superfruits as I am, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite superfruit and why you love it. And if you're looking for more tips on healthy financial habits, be sure to check out my next video where we'll dive into the world of budgeting and saving.